Imagine a world bathed in clean, limitless energy. A world where every city, every home, and every device is powered by the sun, the wind, and the very forces of nature. Picture the skyline of a futuristic city, gleaming with the promise of a sustainable tomorrow. Picture a future where fossil fuels are relics of the past, where the smokestacks of yesterday are replaced by the clean, silent hum of solar and wind farms. This is a world where the air is cleaner, the skies are clearer, and the planet breathes easier. This is not science fiction. This is the promise of brilliant light power. A company at the forefront of a new energy era where cutting-edge technology meets visionary thinking. Here, scientists and engineers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, turning dreams into reality. We stand on the cusp of an energy revolution, a revolution that promises to transform our world in ways we can scarcely imagine. It's a revolution that's not just about technology, but about hope, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of a better future. It's a revolution fueled by innovation, driven by the pursuit of a sustainable future. Every prototype, every discussion, every breakthrough brings us one step closer to a world where clean energy is the norm, not the exception. At its heart lies a groundbreaking technology with the potential to reshape our world. This technology is not just a concept, but a tangible reality, transforming the way we think about energy and its possibilities. This is the story of Brilliant Light Power, the company daring to dream of a brighter future. A future where energy is abundant, affordable, and accessible to all. A future where innovation knows no bounds, and the impossible becomes possible. It's a future powered by the very forces that ignite the stars. The SunCell trademark is at the heart of this vision, harnessing the power of the universe to bring light and energy to our world. Imagine tapping into the same energy that fuels the stars right here on Earth. A future where energy scarcity becomes a distant memory, where every city glows brightly at night, powered by an endless supply of clean energy. This is a world where energy is no longer a commodity, but a given, a fundamental right for all. The journey begins with a fundamental question. What if we could harness the power of a new form of hydrogen? This question has led to groundbreaking discoveries and innovations, opening up new possibilities for clean, sustainable energy. What if we could unlock energy from a source more abundant than any other? Hydrogen, the most plentiful element in the universe, holds the key to a future where energy is limitless and clean. Brilliant Light Power is on the path to making this vision a reality, one breakthrough at a time. Dr. Randall Mills is a man on a mission. His relentless pursuit of innovation and his unwavering dedication to science have made him a prominent figure in the world of energy research. A visionary in the field of energy, he founded Brilliant Light Power on a simple yet audacious idea to create a new source of clean, inexhaustible energy. This idea wasn't just a fleeting thought, it was a bold vision that required years of research, experimentation, and an unyielding belief in the possibilities of science. His journey led him to a groundbreaking discovery, the hydrino. This discovery wasn't just a milestone in his career, it was a revelation that had the potential to change the world. The hydrino, a previously unknown state of hydrogen, opened up new avenues for energy production that were previously thought to be impossible.
Hydronos, a previously unknown state of hydrogen, hold the key to unlocking unprecedented energy levels. By understanding and harnessing this unique state, scientists can tap into a source of energy that is both abundant and sustainable. This discovery has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about energy and its possibilities. By coaxing hydrogen atoms into this lower energy state, a tremendous amount of energy can be released. This process, which involves intricate scientific techniques and advanced technology, could pave the way for a new era of energy production. The implications of this are vast, offering a cleaner, more efficient alternative to traditional energy sources.
This breakthrough has the potential to redefine our relationship with energy. Imagine a world where energy is not a limiting factor, but a driving force for innovation and progress. This is the world that Dr. Mills envisions, a world where energy is abundant, clean, and accessible to all. Dr. Mills's vision extends beyond mere scientific discovery. He sees a future where the boundaries of what is possible are constantly being pushed, where energy is no longer a constraint, but a catalyst for progress. His work is not just about creating new technology, It's about inspiring a new way of thinking about energy and its role in our lives. He envisions a world where energy is no longer a constraint but a catalyst for progress. A world where cities are powered by clean, renewable energy, where the air is cleaner and the quality of life is improved for everyone. This vision is not just a dream, it is a tangible goal that Brilliant Light Power is working tirelessly to achieve. A world where everyone, regardless of location, has access to affordable and sustainable power. This means bringing energy to remote villages, powering homes and businesses in underserved areas, and ensuring that no one is left behind in the energy revolution. The impact of this vision is far-reaching, promising a brighter, more equitable future for all. This vision is embodied in Brilliant Light Power's revolutionary invention, the Sun Cell trademark. The Sun Cell trademark represents the culmination of years of research and development, a device that has the potential to transform the energy landscape. It is a testament to Dr. Mills's ingenuity and his commitment to creating a better, more sustainable world. The Sun Cell trademark is not just another energy source, it's a paradigm shift. This revolutionary technology is poised to redefine how we think about and utilize energy in our daily lives. Imagine a device that replicates the very processes powering the sun, generating immense energy from the reaction of hydrogen to its hydrogen state. This isn't science fiction, it's the cutting edge of scientific innovation, bringing the power of the cosmos into our hands. This is the power of the Sun Cell trademark. It harnesses the fundamental forces of nature to provide a virtually limitless supply of clean energy, transforming the way we power our world.
Unlike traditional energy sources, the Sun Cell TM is environmentally benign. It stands as a beacon of hope in our fight against climate change, offering a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. It produces no harmful emissions, no greenhouse gases, no long-lived radioactive waste. This means cleaner air, healthier ecosystems, and a safer planet for future generations. It's a clean energy solution that operates in harmony with our planet. By integrating seamlessly with natural and urban environments, the Sun Cell TM supports a sustainable future.
But its benefits extend beyond its environmental friendliness. The Sun Cell trademark is also a marvel of efficiency and innovation. The Sun Cell trademark boasts unrivaled efficiency, converting a far greater percentage of its fuel source into usable energy than conventional power plants. This leap in efficiency means that we can do more with less, reducing our reliance on finite resources. This means more energy output with significantly less fuel consumption. The Sun Cell trademark represents a future where energy is abundant, clean, and accessible to all, paving the way for a new era of technological and environmental harmony. The path to realizing the full potential of the Sun Cell trademark is not without its challenges. Scaling up production to meet global energy demands requires significant investment and infrastructure development. Regulatory hurdles and the inertia of established energy systems present further obstacles. Convincing a world accustomed to traditional energy sources to embrace a revolutionary technology will require relentless education and advocacy. However, Brilliant Light Power remains undeterred. The company is actively working to overcome these challenges, forging partnerships, refining the technology, and engaging with stakeholders across the globe.
One of the most profound impacts of the Sun Cell trademark lies in its potential to empower the developing world. For regions lacking access to reliable and affordable energy, this technology offers a lifeline. Imagine villages in remote areas, once shrouded in darkness, now illuminated by the glow of the Sun Cell trademark. Picture schools connected to the internet, hospitals equipped with life-saving medical devices, and businesses thriving thanks to a stable energy supply. By providing access to clean and affordable energy, the Sun Cell trademark can help break the cycle of poverty, promote education and healthcare, and unlock the economic potential of developing nations.